principles of animation. The principles are 12 rules that were created by some Disney animators. And each lesson, we are going to look at one of those rules and we're going to use it in an animation. And today's one is spacing and timing. Click on it and duplicate it. And you probably guessed, I'm going to drag it just a little bit forward. Do you remember how we do it? If you've forgotten how to do it, it's dead easy. All you do is you click on the frame, choose duplicate, makes a new frame. Then you click on your little arrow at the top here. You can see I've got it selected. And then you drag it down. So I'm going to drag it a little bit further this way. Now when I play this, it will look like it's gathering speed.